Hey guys, Ascend Artco here with some more Twistin tips. Let's check out making a loose connection so that we can change our size. So let's say we have a circle that we need to make. First I'm going to lightly press so that it'll start getting a little bit of a bend. But let's say our circle is somewhere around this size, but we're not sure that's exactly where we want to be. What I like to do is I will go here, I'll hold with my fingers, and I'll lightly twist around, just a little bit. And I'll lay it down, say there's a picture underneath, you can see what size you want. You decide this is not the size of the circle you want. You haven't ruined anything because you lightly twisted. You can go back and extend even further and make the circle a little bigger. When you're done, you simply press and pull, twist around until your shape is complete. And then you have it because you went soft to begin with, you didn't ruin anything, you didn't twist it, and it looks like a nice circle. All about pressure.